Vijay Soni, event judge, Bithana Binani. We'll be having in the field shortly, Mr. Honorable Executive Member, Chief Sir, and Principal Secretary Sir, BTC, Mr. Biren Phukan. Principal Secretary Sir. India, target judge, Dr. Lal Muang Thuvai, India, target judge, Nima Tamang, India, Chief of Marshal. Hey! Come on, Vijay! You could not hit the pad. Yes. Wow! Salone! Salone, आपने हमें the chief judge for this first Bodoland International Paralympic. Jaga, come on! No Jaka! Sorry, you are not Jaka. Paragliding Accuracy Championship 2019. Oh, Java Goreng! Golden Langur or event. Golden Langur, oh my god, you are coming this side. Nico! Jaka Goreng Slovenia, the chief judge of Bodoland International Paragliding Accuracy Championship 2019.